Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've just had a parcel arrive from Modelones. They've sent across their builder in a bottles. Let's have a quick look at these first, shall we? High quality, long lasting, easy to apply, low smell and no harm to skin. Got your directions there, ingredients there. Let's have a little look at these colours. So that's what it looks like inside the box. We've got a user manual here. Got Modelones contact details there. Right, let's have a little look at these colours, shall we? Ooh, these look nice. I like the look of these. Ooh, we've got clear as well. That's always good. So you get 7 ml. They come in glass bottles as well, which I like. Ingredients on the back, colour number on the top. Now, I'm just debating, do I give these a little swatch? Should we give them a swatch? Yeah, let's give them a little swatch, shall we, to start with? And then we'll have a look at the other bits in the box as well. So the first one is 003. Ooh, this one looks nice. Ooh, that's a nice pinky colour, isn't it? I like it. They look really creamy and opaque as well. Give that a cure. Next one is 004. Right, so I'm just going to quickly whiz through these swatches, guys. I'll speed it up and pop some music on. And then we'll come back and take a look at them very quickly because we've got quite a few other bits to get through in the box yet. And I want to get a set of nails on my left hand using some of the products. So yeah, I'm just going to pop some music on, whiz through these swatches, and we'll come back and take a look at them and have a look at everything else in the box. And then we'll get some nails on my left hand.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you wanted honest.
So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. So we've got 003, 004, 005, 006, 007. I've not bothered swatching the clear because obviously it's a clear. So there's no point swatching that. I really, really like these, especially this one. This is definitely my favourite, the 006. Really like that colour. Beautiful colour, isn't it? And I've done really, really thin coats. This is, you can see how opaque they are. Look how thin those coats are, guys. Can you see that? Very, very thin coats. They're super opaque. They're really creamy. I really, really like them. Definitely want to start getting into using builder gels. It looks so fun. So I think I might have a little play with these and see how I get on with them. So yeah, that is the swatches of the gels. Now let's have a look what else is in the box, shall we? See what they've sent. So to start with, they've sent us some full cover tips. These look like short almond. Yes, they are. They're not quite stiletto, but they're not quite almond, are they? I would say they're pointed almond. I like them. We're going to be sticking those on my nails today. So we'll take a look at what they sit like when they're applied to the nail. And then, oh, look at these. Oh my days. How beautiful is that packaging? I love them. Look at the hollow on the writing. Wow. So these are the Modelones colour cubes. Modelones has created this Unlock and Unleash collaboration with these 3 famous influencers. We've got, I don't even know if I'm going to pronounce these right, probably not. We've got Joaca Vazquez, Tobe Bachik and Saxon Sharbino. Now, for those of you that haven't heard of any of these people, I am going to put a little bit about each of them on the screen as we're looking through each of the colour cubes. So, handpicked by iconic fashion influencer Joaca, I think it's actually pronounced Joaca Vazquez. This avant-garde palette has bold and striking colour combinations with a gorgeous duochrome finish. Show your true colours with this palette. Then Tobe Bachik is a professional, famous celebrity nail artist. This glamorous palette boasts rich colours and shimmering shine, conveying a slight retro vibe that works for all occasions. Just show you the colours on the side of each of these as well. Look at these colours. They look well smart, don't they? And then Saxon Sharbino is a famous actress. This inclusive palette radiates gentle femininity and subtle elegance. Enjoy endless nail art creations easily. Then these are the ones that she's picked. I like them. So should we have a little look inside? You pop that out and you've got your original colour cube packaging there. I really like this outer packaging. It's so pretty, isn't it? That hollow writing is beautiful. So this is the original colour cube packaging. You got your ingredients on the back there, if anyone wants to see that. Got your directions, storage, then you've got your contact details there for Modelones. Inside the boxes, you get your colour cube, you get a brush, and you also get your user manual. Also a few of the other palette colours there, what they've got. I like it. This brush is really cool. So it doubles up, you pop that on the end, and you've got your full length gel brush. These brushes are really nice as well. They're nice stumpy little brushes. They've got a nice stiff feel to them. I like these brushes, what come in these colour cubes. Branded as well. And then you pop that off there, pop it on there, and you've got a lid for your brush. Nice and compact, I like that. These in general are really compact, aren't they? Really easy to store, handy to take away with you. I like them. You've got your colours on the back there. Let's have a little look. So as I'm showing you through these palettes, guys, I shall pop a little bit in the top left hand corner of the screen about each of the influencers. Now it does say water droplets or bubbles upon unpacking are normal and will not affect the use. Can't say I've ever had any on mine, but oh, look at that one. They are stunning. Oh wow. That has got like a purple UV shimmer to it. That's got like a blue ultraviolet shimmer to it. Oh, they're stunning, aren't they? That is a very good start. I like it. I've got a feeling that's probably going to be my favourite. Right up my street, that one. I forgot to say as well, the name of that one is called Pretty Unique One. This one is Tom Bachik's one. Rich Girl Retro. Ooh, look at those shimmery ones. They look like metallic. This one is a reflective glitter. Let me see if I can show you that. Look at that. It's so sparkly. Stunning. Some really nice colours for the time of year that's coming up. These are going to be great for Christmas and stuff, aren't they? Halloween, autumn. Some great choice of colours there. And then last but not least, we've got Saxon Sharbinos, which is called Colour Confidence. Oh, they're nice as well, especially for autumn coming up. I love this one. That is gorgeous. Giving me real autumn vibes, that is. I quite like this kind of pistachio colour as well. That's really unusual. I like them. So cool. So I'm not going to bother swatching them, guys, because you can see them already in the palettes. Don't see the point in swatching them. But I do want to get some tips on my right hand using some of the colours. But as you can see, guys, this video is already way too long for me to pop a set of nails on and do a design on them. So I'm going to cut this video off here and I'm going to put a part 2 out where we're going to apply the full cover tips and do a design using some of the colours out the colour cubes. All the products that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave the links for in my description box, so if anyone's interested in any of them, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight on over to the Modelones products. I have got a 10% off discount code for Modelones as well, guys, so if anyone wants to take advantage of that, it is Gina10. Pop that in at checkout and that will take 10% off your whole order. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.